nature and cultural heritage at the Croatian coast. This is Dalmatian and Adriatic coast. Culture and biology diversity. It has rich history. Croatia was under the impact of many European and culture. Those created a rich history, certain beautiful culture monuments. A board from Baška, Iceland Kirk, 1100. National parks. Croatia has 8 national parks, 5 at the coast, under the UNESCO's protection. Brijuni, they are domestic and important sort of plants and animals. 14 islands close to Istria Peninsula. Paklenica, Kornati. They are the most spreading islands in the Mediterranean. Krka. Krka has 7 waterfalls. Yet, now we shall tell something about parks. Vučka, Velebit, Biokovo, Lastovo. Now something about the Brod. These are walls of the Brod. A beautiful view at the sea from the walls. Main street of Dubrovnik, Stradum. Onforius fountain. Palazzo Sponza. St. Laco Church and Orlando's Column under the construction. Other walls from the board. The end.
Bye.
Jel svi mi sad moramo?